Riwruoge maok mag piny owacho kaachiel gi riwruok mar okinde ma Thurka LSK kod riwruok mar lakteche KMPDU ochwalo kwayogi e nyim od bura mamalo ka gidwaro mondo bad migepe mag arita oduok penjo ewi ndhicho ma jatelo maketo sirikal ma Uganda Tesre Kizza Besigye ma ne donjo gi ketho mar ndhogo pinye ma Uganda. Jogo magin ratich oganda ma Kenya kod Uganda obago ng'anya ke od bura kod apisi mbetre ma Uganda mantiere pachoka ka gidwaro mondo we Besigye thuolo mapiyo kendo gichwalo kwayo ne jood bura mondo sir paro mar we thuolo.
The abduction and rendition of Kizza Besigye and Haji Obeid Lutale blatantly violated international human rights law and the principle of extradition treaties. That on 20th February 2025, Uganda police opened charges, and these are new charges, against Kizza Besigye, Haji Obeid Lutale, and Dennis Oula, with offences of treason contrary to section 23(1)(c) of the Penal Code Act Uganda and misprision of treason contrary to section 25 of the Penal Code Act of Uganda.
That the transfer of Kizza Besigye and Haji Obeid Lutale to civilian courts is a continuation of a process begun through abduction and rendition, which are unlawful under international law. And as such, any trial that follows these illegal transfer amount to a continuation of an unlawful process.
Acknowledge that abductions and renditions have been committed in Kenya, potentially constituting crimes under international law, and should be promptly, thoroughly, impartially and transparently investigated, and those suspected of responsibility prosecuted. Yes. Number 2, urgently summon the national security organs to appear before it for purposes of explaining justice and accountability measures and other measures that have been taken to promptly, thoroughly, impartially and transparently investigate the reported case of abduction and rendition of Kizza Besigye and Haji Obeid Lutale.
Kawadi nyimeni obila okore kunde maidore county mabaringo kaka yo majiwa arita ne jopuonjre kaluwe gi rochruok mag arita ahinya to kuo mag jamni kod monj mag jonjore mosebeda chied nadi kuom thuolo malache